Okay, so I was successful in reassembling the rear view mirror. It seemed to clip in with that arrangement. Um, just want to make sure everything is still working. So I'll turn off the dome lights. Actually, turn it back on. The dome lights are working. And turn the map lights on over here. Right side map light, left side map light. So those are working. I'm gonna try my garage door opener. This middle button had programmed it. This one's not working. Oh, but I think it probably needs power to work, to operate. Yeah, that LED light should blink. This one on the left should blink. Let's see if it works. Try putting in the key. Yeah, it's blinking now.
Connected.
Although the door itself is not opening. The garage door itself is not opening. That may be a different issue. But at least the LEDs are working. Maybe they needs to be reprogrammed. Yeah, actually the door is working now. You can hear the garage door opening. So that's working as well. Yeah, that's good. You can close it now. It's kind of doesn't always work, but that has to do with probably the transmitter. See how I'm pressing it, but it's not closing the garage door. I'll figure out. That seems like a different problem. Just have to keep it pressed, I suppose. Let's try again. Yeah, now it worked. I have two garages, so this one works. This one, for some reason, the other garage door does not work, and I don't know why. I have to figure out. It could be a problem. The LED does not flash for the first garage door, but everything else seems to be working. I don't know what this LED is for, but that's working too. I think when I open and close the door, that changes. I'm not sure. Or maybe if I remove the key, this turns off. This LED at the bottom, but when I close the door, it turns back on. And when I open the door, it's still on. I think it stays on for some time. Let me turn off these lights, dome lights. LED still on, and let's try the map lights, left and right. So left is working. Turn it off. Right is working. Turn it off. Turn both on. They're working. And then turn on the dome lights too. That's working too. Yeah, so I was able to reassemble this rear view mirror. Even though I have these two small plastic broken pieces, I don't know where they're from, but it still works. And these are the two map light bulbs that I got out, which I replaced with LEDs. So it's all good and it's reassembled.